Hi, my name is Alyssa Ramirez. I was born on March 26, 1995, in Virginia Beach, Virginia, weighing about 7 pounds 11 ounces, on a Sunday afternoon around 12 o'clock, right in the middle of the third round of the NCAA March Madness tournament. My dad, he was a little upset, but my mom, it was the best day of her life. I mean, come on, right? During this time, in 1979, Earvin Magic Johnson led his team, the Michigan State Spartans, to a 75-64 victory over Larry Bird's Indiana State Sycamores team. This game was the most watched college final of its time, and it established Magic versus Bird as a rivalry of the ages and catapulted both players to NBA stardom. According to IMDb, on March 26th, the movie that came out was Outbreak. It was a movie about a deadly virus that was spreading from a monkey that was captured in the jungle and brought to the United States as a pet. This movie starred Dustin Hoffman, Rene Russo, and Morgan Freeman. And according to the Billboard charts Hot 100, Madonna's song Take a Bow was number one at this time. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching and getting to know a little bit more about me and the day I was born. Have a nice day.